We pulled this 67 and 69 Camaro Roadster Shop Chassis out so we can show it off. This is our most popular seller. That may surprise some of you since first-gen Camaros are subframe unibody cars, but think about it. It's got a subframe, then you go to all the trouble to install subframe connectors, and at the end of the day, if you could reinforce the rear frame rails, you would. Well, that's exactly what Roadster Shop has done here. They've designed a chassis that bolts in, no floor mods, uses the original subframe pickup points right there, right there. This is where your subframe connectors would be. And as you can see, they're using special box tubing here. And then in the back, we're using the leaf spring pickup point along with the leaf spring rear spring hanger pickup point to bolt the chassis in. The original frame rails will live outside of the SPEC Chassis rear frame rails here. And there is a 4-link rear suspension setup. The chassis kit includes a forward 9-inch fabricated housing along with strange axles. We can spec a center section with your choice of differential and gear ratio. The kit also, as we sell them, comes with stainless steel pre-bent hard lines already installed, because we know that's one of the most difficult, frustrating parts of any build, ready to go. We include a front sway bar with OE type modern end links. We also include engine and transmission mounts to go with your combination. Roadster Shop designed the front suspension with a Fairmont style rack and pinion steering gear along with their own RS Fox adjustable coilovers to help you dial in the ride height to your preferences and wheel and tire combination. So if you're looking to build a first-gen Camaro 67 to 69 and you want a completely bolt-on SPEC series chassis, front and rear suspension, everything you see here, give us a yell. We can provide you with the chassis, or we can help you paint, powder coat, install the chassis, or we can build an entire vehicle for you here. Thanks for watching.